welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I hope you all are doing well. So I have decided to give the butterfly locks a go. So I'm going to be trying to make the butterfly locks today. So I've already made my own DIY coily hair that I'm going to be using for today's video. This is the hair right here. Love the color, and I'll put the link to the video on how I achieved this beautiful coily hair right here in the description box down below. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and click on the link in the description box down below this video, okay? So to start, I'm going ahead to do single braids on my hair. So this will allow me to make the back of the hairstyle short, so I can create that beautiful foam bob hairstyle. So right here, I'm just going ahead to apply edge tamer on the hair to tame everything in place before going ahead to braid the hair. Okay, so for the back right here, for these two braids right here, I'm gonna make it short. So because I want the first row on the back to be short, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the crochet hook and adjust the length of my braid. So I started by doing two different sizes of the butterfly locks, and next I post a picture on my Instagram page and my YouTube community page, asking you guys to help me decide on the size of butterfly lock I should go with, and you guys chose the medium size one, which is awesome because right now the weather is starting to get warm over here, so it's like Arizona weather times two. Okay, so now is not really the time to be carrying a super thick, super full hairstyle. So the medium size and the size of the session is perfect for me. You can make the session for yours a bit smaller depending on what you want. But for me, the pattern and the size of the session is perfect for this very weather. So I decided to do a quick takedown before moving on to the next step to show you guys that you can easily take down this butterfly locks in as far that you can, pull out your hair before cutting the lock. Okay, so that's what I just did. As you can see, it's really quick and easy. You want to make sure to get your hair out of the way before cutting the tip off. Okay, so to start, I'm going ahead to separate one end of the curly hair, as you can see right here, making sure to fluff it out a bit. Moving on to the next step, I'm going ahead to take my crochet hook and I'm passing it through the base of my braid. So next I'm taking the hair and I'm hooking it just like this, and I'm going to pull that through. So right here I'm going to be pulling the short end of the hair through my braid, just gently pulling that through all the way, just like that. Okay, so next I'm going ahead to adjust the length of the hair. So I want the black hair color to start from the base, so that way I will have that beautiful transition from the black hair color to the blue hair color right there. Okay, so next I'm going ahead to adjust the length of my hair on the first row on the side, only on the first row. So the next row I won't adjust the length. So I just want this first row to be also short, just like the back. All right, so now that is done, it's time to go ahead and continue wrapping the hair. So to start, I'm going ahead to make sure that I have a firm firm hold on the roots of the hair before going ahead to do the butterfly lock technique. So to do that, I'm taking my thumb to kind of push some of the hair out of the way to create a loop after wrapping the hair around that spot, as you can see right here. So right there, I'm just going ahead to wrap it around, making sure to push the one on my thumb out of the way, and also I'm making sure to wrap it softly, loosely. So I'm not tight to the instead of the hair looking stiff. So because we don't want the lock to be stiff, we want it to be able to move freely and also flexible and secure. So yeah. Okay, so I wrapped a little bit more, as you can see right here, and now I'm just going ahead to check the length I want for the bob look, as you can see right there. So now that I'm satisfied with the length, I'm gonna go ahead and tie a knot to secure that spot in place. Okay. So next, I'm going to take that little hair right there and I'm going to put that aside while I fluff out the rest of the hair. Okay, so next I'm going to take that hair and fold it over because I'm going to use the remaining hair to wrap upward. Okay, so after folding the hair over, as you can see right here, I'm going ahead to wrap it upward, and also I make sure to move the little hair I use in tying the knot out of the way because I'm going to be using that again once I'm done wrapping the rest of the hair upward. I'm going to take that little hair and I'm going to fluff it out a bit, and then I'm going to use that to wrap upward, so this will help to seal the hair in place. So to really secure it in place, I'm going to be rubbing it in between my palm just like that to secure everything in place, to help seal everything in place. All right, so that is it for this very part right here, and I love it so far. I love it. Yeah. Okay, almost done. Love, 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 love it. Love it. All right, I have only one more to go. So doing the same thing, I'm passing the crochet hook through the base of my braid and I'm hooking the hair, and next I'm going to pull the short end of the curly hair through my braid. Okay, so doing the same thing, I make sure to have a firm grip or firm hold on the roots of my hair before going ahead to do the butterfly lock technique. So just using my thumb to push some of the hair out of the way while also wrapping the hair around. And again, you want to make sure to wrap it softly. You want it to be flexible and not stiff. Almost done, but first I'm going ahead to check the length to make sure that I have the same length on the right hand side and also on the left hand side. So it's a bit short, so I'm going to wrap a little bit more. So once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and tie a knot on that very spot to secure it in place before going ahead to fold the hair over and to wrap it upward. So right here, I'm going ahead to tie a knot on that very spot to secure it in place. You can do just a single knot if you want, and if you want it more secure, you can do like a double knot. That's up to you. So yeah, the option is yours. Or if you don't even have to tie a knot if you don't want to. So yeah. Okay, so now that I have that secure in place, I'm going to go ahead and fold the rest of the hair over just like this and begin wrapping upward. Okay, so for the final step, I'm gonna take that little hair and also like fluff it out first before wrapping it upward. So next, I'm gonna rub it. So next, I'm gonna rub it in between, like in between my palms to secure everything in place. Right there. And secure. All right, guys, so this is it, all done. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So what do you guys think of my first attempt at the butterfly locks? I'm gonna go ahead and say I did good. I love the color of this hairstyle. Love it. I hope you do too. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for popping by today. And I'll see you all in my next one.